Oh, got a new heart for my E46. Picked this up at Pick and Pull yesterday for like 450 bucks out the door or somewhere around that. It came out of an X3. I'll put a picture of it up right now. I'm just gonna tear into this thing. My first step today was to put it on this engine stand, but I realized that I don't have bolts to mount that. So keep in mind, if you're gonna ever put a motor on the stand, to probably get the bolts to put it on the stand first. So just today, I'm just gonna try to take some loose shit off. All right, so we got it on the stand, which proved to be kind of a pain, but it's here now. So I'm just gonna start taking everything off so I can get down to where I can actually clean the motor. So this isn't working as good as I thought. As you can see here, this is the one I have for dirt, dust, and road grime. And here's what I should have got. So probably gonna go back to the store and get that. So one thing that I'm trying to make sure of is when I'm taking bolts out of the block, I'm just like halfway threading them back in so that I don't lose track of anything. Because it would either be that or probably like a Ziploc bag label or cardboard, but I feel like if I just leave them in the block, it's gonna be the easiest to remember where they go because you don't have to remember. Camera wasn't recording, but I got both these hard pipes off. One thing is you just gotta be careful when you're taking these hard pipes off because it's a 20-year-old BMW. It's gonna have some parts that are old and brittle, obviously. You wanna make sure you're not leaving stuff like this behind.
Dude, you're actually doing that with no gloves? Nah. I think it's like that. Dude.
Nope. Oh.
Maybe fucking. Oh. Ooh. Yummy.
So it has been a while since I've given an update. Basically things got a little messed up. Went to do a leak down test before putting stuff back together because I was deciding whether I was going to take the head off or not. And the head gasket was blown in about 3 or 4 different spots. So then took that off, checked the head. The head was warped. So that is off at the machine shop right now. Definitely not as good of a motor as I would have hoped. But getting to learn, getting to do new things, so get something good out of it. So this is when things took a turn for the worst. As you can see, I was cleaning up the block right here, and I obviously got a little pissed off because I forgot to film. But there's cracks between all of the cylinder walls. Well, 3 of the cylinder walls. So essentially this block was junk. Luckily, I was able to swap it out with pick and pull with another motor. So here was the next one out of a 5 series, and I got straight to tearing it down. I'm only glad I decided to take the head off because, I mean, look at in there you can see a bunch of crap all over the cylinder wall. So definitely a good thing I took this off because I would not want to be running the motor with all this crap in there. But from visually inspecting, I can't really see any issues with the head gasket, which is good because we did not want to go through that again.
Of course this one's tight.
Holy shit. Oh,
That's just a crank, yeah. So that one's still good then. You wanna actually twist it a little bit? What the fuck?
Every single one in the video, they don't go in good.
Because they all go crooked because this fucking compressor. I mean, it's not like it's a big a deal, but that shit's just nothing. Yeah, it's because fucking don't get Harbor Freight, guys.
So with all the rod bearings back in and torqued down, we could get the crank to spin freely, except every time we torque down one specific rod. So what it ended up being is that the like rod cap and the rod have been mixed up. I'm showing their stampings on the rod, then their stampings on the cap, and you have to make sure that those numbers line up because they are specific and they're machined together. You know what I realized? Remember how we're having issues with the bolts like going when we're trying to torque them down? You're supposed to oil the bolts. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Yeah. They weren't oiled.
Did I say that, or did I just think it?
You probably just thought it.
Yeah,
Because I remembered it after.
I've never done it, but
Neither of us.
I know people say to get accurate torque readings.
Holy shit! Beamer World's the best. I spent $800 at FCP Euro. They didn't give me one sticker. I spent like 10 bucks at Beamer World. They gave me a ton of stickers and gummy bears. Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't get shit, dude. What are you doing?
I know you were slacking just like when you did the subframe. That was it. Skipped a lot of steps.
Yeah.
Who knows that torque pushed me off? I don't know.
Alright, so make sure you come back for the next video to see this junkyard motor start up. Also, a like and comment would be nice because this video took me a while to make.